Jeinhua Queenie Electric Technology Company Limited is a professional manufacturer and exporter for all kinds of electric bicycle and conversion kits since year 2016, such as folding electric bicycle, city electric bicycle, and mountain electric bicycle. Our company is situated in the beautiful city of Jeinhua, Zhejiang Province, China. It has convenient traffic with only 2 hours journey to Shanghai by fast train. Our company adopts high-performance brush and brushless as transmission system. Using developed intelligence controller, the products will be more comfortable and safe when driving. Besides, we own a group of team with high quality and strong dedicative spirits. They are equipped with the rich theoretical knowledge and technical experience. It provides vast customers with superior products, exquisite technical assistance, and excellent after-sales service. Quality first, service supreme, customers' interest utmost is our managing objective. We believe that our high-quality products and excellent service will attract more and more customers' appreciation. Queenie Electric Bikes have passed CE certificate issued by TÜV Lab. We offer reliable after-service and warranty. We supply 2 years warranty on main parts such as motor, battery, and frame. We always back up what we sold with warranty and excellent customer service experience. That is the biggest difference between our company and other Chinese suppliers whose parts and service are not easy to get. Go ahead to call or email us. You will find we could be trusted. Let us win-win together.